Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. The pronunciation of the Arabic alphabet is very important, and in a series we will focus on the pronunciation of all the difficult letters in the Arabic alphabet. And in this video we will start by the three important letters jeem, ha and ra. So stay with me. So let us start by the jeem. So you usually pronounce the words with this letter as jeem. In most of the time, if you are talking in standard Arabic or classical Arabic, it's always jeem. And also you will find the jeem pronounced in the Gulf areas and also in the Levantine language or al-lugha al-shamiyya. So it's most of the time jeem. Jeem, except in the dialect of Cairo or Alexandria in Egypt, we don't pronounce it jeem, we pronounce it geem. So usually you pronounce it jeem, as I told you, like in judge, or also like if you are saying giant, for example, jeem, jeem. But in the word game in English, this is a pronunciation that we use in the Arabic dialect of Cairo or of Alexandria, for example. So, jeem is a very important alphabetical letter, and this pronunciation in phonetics is called palato-alveolar fricative. Palato-alveolar fricative. So, without going into much hassle of the complex name, it just comes from the turbulence of the air in the area that's above the tongue and also touching the ceiling of the mouth, in the middle part of the ceiling of the mouth. So palato-alveolar fricative. So examples of the jeem, we say jil, it's generation in English, jil, generation. And in Arabic we say gil. So instead of jil, which is the standard Arabic and also the Gulf and the Levantine, we say in Egypt gil. So this shows you the difference in the pronunciation depending on the region, as I told you. The second important letter is the letter ha. The letter ha. It is very important as we don't find an equivalent letter in the European languages. Ha. So it's not ha, it's ha, ha. And this letter, it's pronounced in the pharynx. The pharynx is an area that is at the beginning of the throat, or at the opening of the throat. And it has the whispering of the air inside this area gives you this pronunciation. So it is ha, ha. So try to practice this with me. So it's different from the ha, which comes from down below, but it's ha, comes from here, this area, ha. And examples of the words with ha in the standard Arabic, for example, we say the very familiar name in Arabic, Muhammad. So as you know, in the Western, you usually say Muhammad. In the Western regions, in the non-speaking Arabic regions, we say Muhammad. But in Arabic, standard Arabic, it is Muhammad. It's Muhammad. Muhammad is the name of the Prophet, peace be upon him. And it's a very widely known name in the Arabic region. So it is Muhammad. You can see here, or can hear the pronunciation of the ha clear in this word, Muhammad. So this needs some training in order to master the pronunciation of this difficult letter, but it is very important to listen to it carefully and also to repeat it until you master its pronunciation. Muhammad. Another word you find Habibi, so my love, or al-hub, love, Habibi. So it's not Habibi as you may hear it, but it's Habibi, habibi, and this is the correct pronunciation of this letter. The last letter in this session is a ra, ra. So this letter is quite different from the R in English. They are not the same. Because in the R in English, you pronounce it as follows. Like, for example, in the word structure, structure. So it's not an R, it's an R, R, structure. Like, for example, if you say water, water, water. So it is not R, it's R, R. But in Arabic, it's something else. It's R or Ra, Ra, Ra in Arabic. So if we want to say a word like, for example, a boat in English, a boat in English, merkib, merkib. So if you try to stress on the letter Ra, you will pronounce it as follows. R, 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 merkib, merkib. Of course, we don't have all, in pronunciation, we don't have all this emphasis on the word. We just say merkib. So it is merkib, merkib. For example, another verb like to throw, to throw. Throw here in English, the R is very, very similar, very near to the pronunciation of the R, the Ra in Arabic. Throw, throw. It's not throw, it's throw, throw. So, for example, if you want to say throw, this is the verb. It's in Arabic, yarmi, 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 yarmi in Arabic, yarmi. So, throw. So, in order to pronounce this word correctly, you need to repeat it and hear it wisely and try to say it many times. It's difficult to pronounce it. It's very, very difficult in Arabic. One of the really difficult Arabic letters that you may find, but with practice you can pronounce it. So just think of these two words, merkib, a boat, and also yarmi, to throw. In phonetics, the pronunciation of the Ra is called alveolar trill. And to explain it in simple words, it's just like a vibration of the tongue against the ceiling of the mouth. So, or precisely against the front section of the ceiling of the mouth. So, r, r. So this is very, very important. And if you cannot pronounce it right now, this is totally normal because it's different from the pronunciation of the R in the R in the different European languages, as I said before. So that was a quick explanation of 3 very important alphabetical letters in Arabic: jeem, ha, and ra. I hope that you benefit from this session. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share this video so that as many people as possible can benefit. Thanks a lot for your watching, and see you in future videos.